friends, I'm Valerina. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make chicken pulav. It's a very simple recipe and very tasty. I think you will really love it. So let's start today. Add on the flame. So here I have to put some ghee. Instead of oil, it's preferred to put ghee. It's really very tasty. So we'll heat the pan nicely. These are some spices we are going to add. Whole spices. These are bay leaves. 2 big cardamom. Little of black pepper. Cinnamon stick. Green cardamom. Cloves. And 1 star. Let them heat properly. I have some onions, finely chopped. These are the onions. We have to cook them till golden brown. Cook it on a high flame. At this stage, let's add some tomatoes. I had chopped 2 tomatoes. Saute them at soft stage. So the tomatoes are smashed properly. You can see them. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. In this I'll add little of garam masala too. Stir well. Now I'm going to add some chicken. Stir well. Add some salt. You don't have to put water. Make the flame low or on medium. Cover it with the lid for at least 5 to 7 minutes on a low or medium flame. Now add the rice. This is cooked rice, 80% cooked. Stir it properly, upside down. Cook it on a medium flame, not on high, because we are not adding water. Cover it for 5 minutes. Let's have a look on our chicken pulav. Here how it's come out. Please try and let me know how is it, how you made, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So whenever I make my new recipes, you can get the first notifications. Thank you all of you for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.